The thing I enjoy most about being in the garden is just learning new things every single day. I feel like every time I come here, there's a new spot that I get to learn about, and there's different plants that I get to learn about. And just being able to build up my knowledge about Florida's ecosystem is so important, and it's so important to be educated, and that's why I love being at Fairchild. If you want to come at Fairchild, my advice is to definitely put yourself out there and try new things. And as a person who wasn't a big fan of the outdoors, I come to love it so much, and there's so many different things that you learn about yourself through this program, and I think it's really important that you try new things, and I definitely think you guys should come.
Hi, my name is Pablo, and I'm the plant introduction manager here at Fairchild. And actually in my hand, I'm holding a Rhaphidophora Thai giant. It's one of our favorite plants. This was actually potted up by a volunteer. And volunteers here are a crucial component of our nursery. They help us anywhere from repotting to taking care of the plants, preparing for sales, and they're also a crucial part of our packing. We ship plants nationwide, and our goal here is, this is like the center of the City in a Garden project. And so all the plants that will be going out to the community start here.
I've been coming to Fairchild ever since I was a little kid. My mom's had a membership for 35 years. All my brothers came here, I came here. And that love for the garden and that passion for the environment really just inspired me to start volunteering here almost 4 years ago today. I think places like Fairchild are so important because it really gives people, first of all, just a place where they can go and relax and be at peace and with nature, but also a place where you can have hands-on experience with science and nature to really grow that passion to create environmentalist and just a general passion for the environment for the future. We have programs like the Growing Beyond Earth, the Million Orchid Project, and overall, it's just a beautiful place to be. So for anyone thinking about volunteering here, do it. Even if you don't have anyone else who's coming to volunteer with you, it's such a tight-knit community with the volunteers here that you'll have a great time either way.
Hi everyone, my name is Brooks and I work in the horticulture department at Fairchild. I work down here at the nursery, and volunteers are absolutely essential for all that we do. We do so much propagating, whether it's seeds, cuttings. We bring in plants from all over the world that come right here to this nursery, and it takes a lot of work and a lot of hands to be able to process it and put it into our collection. We can't thank our volunteers enough for all the help that they give us, because without our volunteers, this nursery could not be what it is today.
Okay, welcome to Wings of the Tropics. Come and join us. Be part of one of our teams of dedicated volunteers. Learn to love the exhibit as they have, and help our guests and their children and grandchildren get the most out of this magical experience.
Hi, I'm Amy Padoff, the Director of Education here at Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. There are so many opportunities for you to volunteer, to engage the community, engage our visitors, and really inspire the next generation of environmental stewards. Here at Fairchild, we have so many opportunities within the education department. You can be a part of one of the largest environmental science competitions, the Fairchild Challenge, that's been around for 25 years, to help inspire kids to think about their place in the environment. You can go out with the STEM Lab program, where you can help students propagate endangered orchids of South Florida as part of the Million Orchid Project. You can also help with the Growing Beyond Earth project, where we're growing plants to feed astronauts for long-distance space travel in partnership with NASA. You know, it's volunteers that allow us to be able to do all of this work that we do. And so without volunteers, we wouldn't be able to do these things. So we want to welcome you all to join us, to become a part of our volunteer team here at Fairchild.
One of the things that I love about our volunteers and them helping us out throughout the whole garden is their love, dedication, and ownership that they feel for Fairchild. It's unlike anything I've ever experienced before. They just have a strong sense of they belong here. And the love that they have for this garden comes out in everything that they do, so that's one of my favorite things when I get to work with the whole volunteer team.
Hi, I'm Kathy Stripling, and I have been volunteering for many years. I work at the nursery a couple days a week, and then I come and do the events they have here. I've always loved coming here. It's beautiful. I get to participate in a lot of my loves. I love plants, and I love being outdoors, and I like people. So I get to do it all here.
Volunteers at Fairchild make an impact across the garden in so many ways, from caring for our plants in our nursery and welcoming guests, to leading tram tours and inspiring the next generation. Through our Explorer program, each volunteer plays an important role. Every day, they help create meaningful experiences for our guests and connect people with the beauty and wonder of the plant world. Become part of our volunteer team here at Fairchild and help us inspire others to discover the tropical world of plants.